This video, I'll be showing you the ways to play car parking multiplayer on PC or laptop. So to play car parking multiplayer on PC or laptop, you'll have to follow these steps. First thing, you have to download an Android emulator on your device. After installing the Android emulator, you'll be able to access the game. So all you have to do is open up your browser, and on the web address bar, go ahead and type in BlueStacks. When you locate the BlueStack, then go ahead and press the first link, that is www.bluestacks.com. And here you have to go ahead and install the following applications. So go ahead and tap on the download button located right at the bottom and wait for it to be downloaded. You could go ahead and download the BlueStack 5 as well, whichever is convenient for you. After it is installed, go ahead and access it from the top downloaded button. Go ahead and open up file location and make sure to run the installation and download it. After you're done downloading it, you have to make some changes with the settings. Now go ahead and press on install now button and make sure to agree to terms and condition, all that. So after it is completely installed, then you have to go ahead and press the Play Store feature. And when you do that, you can go ahead and type in the name of the game that you wish to play on your PC. And that is car parking multiplayer. Then you'll have to go ahead and install it and you'll be able to play the game on your PC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.